Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make Parval curry. And this Parval curry will be like meat to eat. Meat curry also will be failed in front of this Parval curry. So today I am going to make it like how we make meat curry, chicken curry, mutton curry. In that process only I will make this Parval curry also, and it will be very spicy, delicious, very tasty. So come on, let us start the recipe. I have taken half kg Parval. I have slitted the Parval. See, you can see it. See all this? I have slitted it. You can see over here. All these are slitted. See, all the Parvals are slitted. Okay. I will move this aside. I have already taken the oil in the karai. You can see it. I am using mustard oil. Oil is turned hot. Now I will fry the Parval. Parvals are almost fried. Now I will take them out. Now in the same oil I will make the curry. I have cut up 3 medium sized onions, sliced up. This I am going to put it in. Taken cinnamon sticks, cloves and cardamom. Put this in also. I have put little extra oil because today the Parval curry is going to be made very spicy, hot and delicious, just like meat curry. If you are new to my channel, subscribe, like, share, comment. Onions are turned brown. Now put the ginger garlic in. Put some turmeric powder. Put 1 spoon chili powder. I have taken dhania powder, jeera powder. This also I will put in. Masalas are almost turned brown. Put in the Parval. Put salt to taste. Put some water. Put some chicken masala. Put some garam masala. powder. I have cut up tomatoes, 2 tomatoes, medium size, and some coriander leaves. Put this in also. Cover it up and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Very spicy, hot, delicious Parval curry is ready. Thank you for watching my video.